Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ravi Dahiya. I'm a orthodontist, implantologist and a cosmetic dentist. I practice in Delhi. I had my 2 centers. So last year I did the foundation course under Dr. Aslam Inamda, and at that time I was not doing the veneers and smile designing, especially the digital smile designing that frequently. I'm doing veneers but not digitally. So I came across him and I did the foundation course. It's really good. I learned a lot, like how it can be done digitally and what digitally really makes a difference apart from doing normal veneer and the digital smile designing. So after 1 year following him, doing a lot of cases under him, I come for this advanced veneer course, and it gives me more open view where we are doing the mistakes and how we can do the digital smile designing, especially with the veneers. So it's really helped me a lot, step by step everything he taught on patient as well, and so it will clear all my doubts. So I will recommend everyone who are interested in doing digital smile designing to go ahead and try digital smile designing under him, because it's not only the course, it's the lab support as well which they are providing. And when the lab support is there and the tutor is with you, then definitely that reflects in the work. So I wish you luck, all the guys, and I'm happy here, and I recommend all to go for the basic course, foundation course first, and do some veneer cases, and then go for the advanced if you want to progress in the digital smile designing, because it will be the future. Thank you.